Hey guys, this is Faye from World Media. We're standing up today because this is the first video in 2025 and I'm going to explore a new topic with you guys, which is all about health and wellness for creators like us. When I first started this channel, World Media, in 2019, I was in my mid-30s, and fast forward 6 years later, now I'm in my early 40s, and it's never too late to really put self-care first. But what does that mean? In today's video, it's more of a general approach to how I go about and thinking about my creative life in 2025. And I also want to give myself the privilege to talk about things that I know that are very, very important, even though it doesn't quite follow the YouTube's algorithm. So if you're here for another AI video, a Zoom video, this is not it, but I hope that you'll stick around and maybe we'll share this very intimate moment and for me to share some of the devices and things I have learned over the past few years, and particularly in the year 2024. So first of all, I have a separate video to talk about what I'm wearing right now, which is a CGM, continuous glucose monitor. So I may have mentioned this in a previous video. My mom has type 2 diabetes, and in the past 10 years of managing her diabetes, I've learned quite a few things, and I learned to eat healthier, for example. And in the past year or so, I have to say that it has become sometimes trickier to manage one's glucose. So I opted her into wearing CGM, and I decided that I want to wear one as well. There's a tremendous amount of learnings. You guys may also see that for a number of years, I've been wearing, first of all, Apple Watch, and this is, as we all know, this is the Oura Ring. I will make sure to list some of these products in the description below. I don't think anybody is new to Apple Watch, but some of you guys are thinking about maybe getting an Oura Ring. Let me know if you want a review video. Another one that really grew on me is this little device right here, and this is a Lumen. It's basically measuring your metabolic health. So basically you blow into it in the morning, at night, throughout the day. You can actually measure how your body is basically burning fat versus carb, or oftentimes the combination of both, before and after a workout, for example. Now there's one other thing I do want to mention is I've always wanted a sort of a stationary exercise bike for my new home, and I've been looking on the market. So I was holding off on Peloton because it's really quite expensive. It's also very heavy. Today I'm going to introduce you to the YESOUL GM1 Plus bike. First of all, assembling it was really quite straightforward. For the price point, which is a lot lower on Peloton, I'm really quite impressed by just the make and the quality of the bike itself. There's a huge screen and the resolution is really good. I'm able to connect my device. In my case, it is an iPhone. You have an Android. You can also connect to the YESOUL bike very easily. What's also neat is that they actually give you these two convenient cables and you're able to connect different devices. What's really unique about getting the bike in this moment, and I can envision that this is a bike I want to use year-round. However, as I'm recording this, you might not be able to tell, but it is literally 4 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's very windy. I'm based in Boston, so a lot of people, creators like myself, living in these colder climates, will find it really difficult trying to hit the gym, trying to go out for a run or even a walk. So my partner Adam and I have graduated to owning treadmills, rowing machines, and our brand new addition to this home, to our office lifestyle, is YESOUL bike. What I like most about the YESOUL bike is that whether you're tech savvy or not, you can figure it out very quickly. You have the monitor already working even without a smartphone, but now I'm going to show you how to plug in the smartphone and how to project what you have there. And what I need to do is simply unlock the screen.
If there's any kind of experience, strength, and hope that you have that you could actually impart to someone, so reach out. Always.
Will. Give everybody's contact information.
You can also certainly play Netflix as well, so let me show you.
Father was right. My arrogance led me to take on more than I could handle, sending all the enforced stuff to Jinx.
You can simply mirror whatever that is on your phone. Maybe that's YouTube Music, or my favorite, which is the YouTube app. If you watch Netflix or Hulu, I mean, check it out. You can just project whatever it is onto this quality screen. If you're like me, who wants to kind of increase the intensity, maybe working with a virtual coach, well, there is the YESOUL app as well. So YESOUL comes with this app right here, as you can see, and it has so many training programs For example, like this bike one that you can project here right away. If I say start.
Hello and welcome to the Burn Basics Bike Boot Camp. My name is Chase.
You can see that
here in the seat.
the projection is really good. We have so many different programs, and it's not just cycling, by the way. So we have, for example, Get Stronger. You have these all-in-one, but no weight training, no weights necessary.
What's up, YESOUL? It's your boy, Coach Brandon, and we are back with...
So as you can see, it's just really easy to connect. The program quality is very high, and the subscription and information I'm going to list in the link below. And I think it's worth it to try a few weeks, a few months to see if you like it. I'm currently on the annual subscription, and I really look forward to the workout. I was really impressed by the programs that are available there, the coaches, and also the sound quality was much, much better than I expected. So let's talk about the bigger picture. Wellness, what does that mean? These days I prioritize my fitness and I try to really spice it up. I love the fact that I can watch my favorite movie or favorite YouTube channels while I bike. Same thing with other exercises that I'm doing. I want this message to go out to as many creators, small business owners. I admire YouTubers who are stepping forward and trying to really spread the message. Channels much bigger than ours, and people talking about that endless days of shooting, editing introduce a lot of pain, particularly in their lower back. And that's the same pain that I have as well. As much as I can stay active, moving around, sometimes that means getting out of the house, the better I feel. So please let me know in the comments below what you have tried. And if you want to hear me review any of the other products I mentioned, like Lumen, Oura Ring, and Apple Watch, and how it all comes together. Also recently, as of today, sign up for Orange Theory. And it's been fascinating because so many of my friends have told me how flexible, how accessible those exercises are. And it's very motivating to have other people along your side and music that is there. I can't wait to talk to you more about my experience. Much love to this community. I wish all of you a happier, healthier new year in 2025. See you soon.